A baby?
Baby.
You need me to help you?
Yeah. Boy. Baby sister.
A baby sister. Hold on, okay? Let me...
Baby sister.
It's a baby sister. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? You want to get her out of there?
Yeah, I'll get it out there.
Okay.
In bottle.
And a bottle and a passy, isn't there? Look in here.
In Patsy. Birthday.
Happy birthday to
You.
you. This is from Grandma.
This is from Big Grandma.
Do you need help? Start here. Pull from here.
That's Big Grandma.
And Papa. What is it?
Yeah.
Look, keep going. Oh my goodness! You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, this
Hold this. What's in there? What's in there? Give some to your baby sister. I'll get her out for you. Here. Can you open this? Open that. Papa and Grandma. That's right. And Ben. Oh. We're going to have it later. It's a sucker. Let me see. Thank you. Thank you, Grandma and Papa. Look, open this. Mm-hmm.
I need scissors.
You do need scissors? Oh, I can see it. Keep going.
Keep going.
What is it?
Baby sister, kitty.
It's a Hello Kitty?
It's a Hello Kitty.
There's candy in there, and you put it in here. I'll show you in just a minute, okay? One more thing. What is it? A book!
A book.
Lucky girl. What kind of book? What kind of book is it, Ava?
Push.
Are you pushing on the... What are those?
Seals.
Seals?
It's a seals.
Are you sure they're seals or are they monkeys?
Monkeys.
Yeah. Okay. Well, baby sister. Give her a kiss. Oh, listen, you need to look at the camera right here, Ava. Tell Grandma and Papa thank you. Tell them thank you for your birthday.
Thank you, birthday.
Good. And look here. Look at the camera. Blow a kiss. Say see you soon.
See you soon.
I love you.
I love you.